Today, we're talking about the ultimate lead magnet that not only grows your Skool community, but also converts your free members into paid. If you actually want to grow your Skool community, you need to stop inviting people in and start pulling people in with the right resource. I'm Ron Medlin, and I've generated over $600,000 on Skool. I'm one of the top 5% earners on the platform, and I even won the Skool games. In this video, I'm going to share my 5-part ultimate lead magnet framework that I've used to grow my free community to over 10,700 members, and I add 800 plus new members to my free community every single month. After watching this video, I guarantee that you'll know exactly what you need to consistently grow and monetize your Skool community. So let's jump in. All right. So today we're talking about the ultimate lead magnet to grow your Skool community. Growing your Skool community really isn't that hard. Most of you guys are probably doing it wrong. So last week, if you were on the training, we talked about how to optimize your about page. If you haven't watched that, you can unlock the replays at level 3. We also shared a tool with you that will rewrite your about page if you were struggling with that. So if you have not watched that, you can unlock that at level 3. This week, we're going to build the asset that attracts people to your community and assists the about page with getting people to join. Now, here's the problem with most school owners have. They're trying to invite people to join their community. They're like, hey, come join my community. It's about X. Guess what? Nobody cares about your community. Okay. Hate to tell you that. Nobody cares about your community. Joining a community is not sexy enough. Nobody wakes up and says, hey, I need to join another community today. But if you give them a resource or a free training that helps them solve a problem fast, then they start to line up to join. And the lead magnet is the invitation and the incentive that actually gets them to join your community. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to create your own ultimate lead magnet. And it's the kind that helps me to get 800 plus new free members into my free community every single month and helps me to convert those members into elite clients. I'm also going to answer that nagging question that I bet a lot of y'all have is in the back of your mind. What do I put in my free community? Raise your hand, drop a 1 in the chat if you have that question. What do I put in my free community? And that's kind of held you back from like moving forward. Just a couple of ones. Okay. Well, today we're going to solve that problem. We're also going to solve the problem of how to get people to join your free community. Okay. So also let's drop a 1 in the chat if you guys are ready to actually go through this training and learn not only how to attract people into your community, but also answer that nagging question of what you put into your free community. Okay, cool. All right. So why should you listen to me? Well, I've generated over $600,000 on Skool. I've grown my paid community to over $17,000 MRR, which makes me a top 5% earner on Skool. And I also won the Skool games. So my free community has over 10,000 members now. And I've never, not once, not a single time invited somebody into my Skool community. People didn't join because I asked them to. They joined because of what was inside the community. And that what is inside is the lead magnet that we're going to be talking about today. Okay. So if you're excited about that, strap in because you're about to learn it. Okay. The 5-part ultimate lead magnet framework. So the model behind every free lead magnet that converts, the rule that decides whether your lead magnet pulls people into your community or cannibalizes your paid offer, the AI tools that create this ultimate lead magnet in less than 30 minutes, and how to use this lead magnet to add 800 new members to my free community every single month. Okay. Now, here is the key. Stop inviting people to your community. Okay. People don't want to join a community. What they do want is tangible resources that are going to help them solve their problems quickly. So great lead magnets are things like checklists, cheat sheets, plug and play templates, AI prompts, custom GPTs. These are all great and they all work. They pull people in. But here's what we found. The ultimate lead magnet, the one that doesn't just help you grow your community, but actually converts them into your paid stuff, that is what we call the free course lead magnet. Okay. Now, specifically, a free course kind of structured like Russell Brunson's perfect webinar, but adapted for your community. So that's what we're going to be walking through today. And this is what I've been using literally to grow my community, my free community, to over 10,000 members and convert a percentage of those members into our paid community. It also solves that problem about what do you put in your free community. It's literally the perfect asset. It attracts people in. It gives them value to consume. So you are kind of answering that question. Oh, I got to give so much value. First of all, you don't have to give as much as you think, but it does give them value. And it also helps them convert into your paid stuff. Okay. All right. So here's kind of the 5-part ultimate free course lead magnet. And I'm going to show you a tool. And so if you guys have been in our world for any amount of time, you know that the first thing that we kind of talk you into doing or try to get you to do is to build your product roadmap. Let me go ahead and open this real quick. If you guys aren't familiar, while I'm opening this up, who here has built out their product roadmap and even knows what I'm talking about? Drop a yes into the chat if you guys know what I'm talking about and you actually have built yours. Drop a yes or a no. Yes or a no. No. Okay. No. Maybe. Okay. No. All right. You guys are learning a lot today then. All right. So your product roadmap is basically your members have a problem they're trying to solve. Now, if you're doing some kind of networking group, this is probably not the right training or even community for you. But if you are teaching people how to solve a problem, if you solve people's problems, this is basically the framework that you need to follow. So people have a problem that they want to solve. They have a transformation they want to achieve. There is a gap between these two situations, right? And so your course, your coaching program, your high ticket service, whatever the product is, there is a gap that they need to fill. And so your product, your service, your coaching program or course is the step-by-step process that you walk them through to solve their problem and achieve their ultimate transformation. And you need to get very clear on that before you even think about, trying to launch a paid community, because if you don't have that, if you're not very clear on how you help people get the transformation, how are you going to help them get that transformation? So you need to be clear about that, right? So that's the first thing that we get people to do when they come into our paid community. And it's kind of the thing that we want you guys to do as well. Now, once you have that, that basically is the step-by-step process that you help people to solve the problem that they have and achieve the transformation that they want to achieve. Once you have that, we have a tool inside of Community Builders Elite where you can just literally paste in your product roadmap. And we have an exercise that walks you through how to create this product roadmap very quickly and easily. You paste that in, and this writes the entire free course lead magnet script for you. Okay. And so I'm about to walk you through kind of the structure of this free course lead magnet. So that is the next step we're going to do. All right. So the first thing is kind of the title slide. You want to have a good hook to get people interested, to hook them in, and to keep them watching the rest of the presentation. Then you want to have your credentials and why people should listen to you, maybe some testimonials after that, the agenda of what you're going to cover. And then here's kind of where we get into the actual presentation part. So the first thing you need to do is you need to show that you understand their problem. You need to be able to articulate exactly what they're experiencing and the problems they're experiencing. And if you can do that, they are more likely to believe that you're the person that can solve that problem or help them solve that problem. And so an example for my community, for what you guys are going through, so something like it's been weeks, you've been still trying to figure out your niche, you're overthinking every decision, you're trying to come up with the perfect course for your community before you launch. You don't know what content to create. You're worried about keeping your members engaged, even when you only have 10 members in your community. And all this paralysis analysis is keeping you from the one thing that actually matters. And that is launching your community and getting as many people as possible coming in, because volume is how you're going to figure out the rest of the things that you need. Okay. And so I'm explaining your problem back to you and articulating hopefully exactly what's going on in your mind. And hopefully, since you see that I understand what you're going through, you're more likely to believe that I'm the person that can help you solve that. So that's what we're doing with this section. The next section is we are introducing or talking about the things that you've tried in the past to solve this problem and then showing you why that hasn't worked. Okay. So everything like you guys have joined a bunch of school communities and stopped that you never haven't opened again. You've watched a bunch of YouTube tutorials that you've binged. You've bought another course, but you never finished. You have a mentor whose advice you haven't applied to your niche. So you've done a lot of these other things that haven't got you the results. And then you throw rocks at those things and show them why those things haven't worked. All right. So that's showing them the old way that they tried to solve their problems. You introduce your new solution. So this is the new way, the new mechanism, and the thing that's actually going to work and finally solve the problem that they've been trying to solve with these other solutions. So you're introducing your new method. Okay. Now, Then you kind of, the next step is you're actually going to lay out the logical path. Again, this goes back to the product roadmap of the 3 to 5 phases of your product roadmap that's going to walk them through from the problem that they currently have all the way to the transformation that they want to achieve. Now, it's very important. This is very key. Is when you're teaching this in this free course, you're going to teach what are the steps, why they're important, and when to take these steps. You're not going to teach the how. The how to, and this is going to show them that you have a logical path. It's going to help them to believe it actually works if it makes sense. And that's kind of the trigger. The free course shows the path. Your paid offer gives them the implementation. So you can show them the path, but that's leaves a gap to implementation, right? And so that gap is what makes them want to buy, right? And then the final phase, so this is kind of goes through all these phases and teaching. And then at the end, you're basically going to invite them into your program. So the last part is to invite them in. This is the close. After you've laid out the path, you make the invitation. You name your paid offer, what's included in it. You walk them straight from I see the path to here's how to implement. And so you're going to recap your structure. You're going to name that gap. So most people get stuck because they try to figure out the how alone. You make the invitation to your paid thing, and then you tell them what's inside, the deliverables, the access, the bonuses, and how your paid stuff is going to help them to execute this faster and easier and help them to actually implement. Okay. So that's kind of the structure of this free course lead magnet. Now, again, I want to reiterate the one of the key most important parts about this entire free course lead magnet is you want to teach what the steps are, why they matter, ever want to teach the how to. Okay. You want to give them the high level strategy, but not the implementation. People pay for implementation and speed. And here's what kills most coaches free course. They want to teach all the how to. I've been definitely been guilty of that in the past. So it's kind of the opposite, or the what and the why, not the how. So the free course says things like, here's what step one is. Without it, the system doesn't work. Here's why most people skip it. Here's what happens when you skip it. And here's why you can't move forward without it. And here's when to do it. Okay. The paid course says, here's how to actually build this step, the exact prompts, the exact structure, the exact templates, the tools that speed up the process. So the free course lead magnet teaches the what, the why, and the when. The paid product is the how. So if you teach the how for free, you've cannibalized your offer and nobody buys. Okay. So that's a very important rule when you're creating these free course lead magnets. Now, here's the proof that this actually works. So you've seen how big my community is, my free community. It's over 10,000 members. This is literally the same ads that I've been running for about 10 months now. And you can see they're all the same. They just have different creative. So get the free course, free community launch secrets course and checklist inside. And these have been running for 10 months, helping me grow my paid community. I'll also show you my stats. Okay. So you can see the profit here at the top. And this is first month profit, which means I'm making this much money on the first month when people are coming in. And if I retain people, I'm making, how way more money than this. Okay. So $12,000 that month, $7,000 profit that month, $2,000 that month, $1,400, $1,600. And so you can see that's the exact, and these are from my ads specifically, by the way. And so I'm running these ads to this lead magnet. They're profitable on the first month. She's made over $17,000 in Q1. This is exactly what we teach. And if you wanted a tool, now I know this looks like a lot of work if you have to sit and you have to like type all this out, script it all out. You don't know the frameworks perfectly. So yes, it's a lot of work. Inside Community Builders Elite, it's very easy. Literally, you build your product roadmap, which we give you the exercise to do that. Then you just come in and you paste in this tool. That's all I did. And then it basically spits out this script. Now, obviously, you don't want to just take exactly what AI gives you. You want to make it your own. You want to edit it, all of that, but it's a pretty damn good script. So it gives you what goes on the slides. It also gives you the speaker notes that you can actually read to present the slides. And then once you have this script, basically I would take it to this tool called Manus. And Manus uses Nano Banana, and it can create these slide decks for you if you wanted to use a slide. Here's an example. I basically pasted in the script for my upcoming workshop that I'm doing. And so this is the slide deck that it created for me. Pretty nice. That is basically how you can get this free course created very quickly and easily. And if you guys are interested, then I am going to open up Community Builders Elite trial right now, and you guys can jump in and you can use this tool to create your free course. All right, so the free trial is now on. Let me grab the URL and then I'll stick around and I'll take any questions you guys have. So if you want to your free course lead magnet, you can jump into Community Builders Elite. You got a 7-day trial. You can cancel if you don't want to stick around, and you'll get access to that tool. So that's the 5-part ultimate lead magnet framework. Build it once, promote it with paid ads or organic traffic, and watch your Skool community grow on Autopilot. And if you want to see how we're actually driving that traffic, I've created a weekly Skool traffic checklist that'll walk you step by step through all the strategies that we're using right now to consistently grow our Skool community. I'll drop a link in the description so you can watch that video, and another link where you can actually join our free community to get instant access to the checklist. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.